Haven't done an EUC ride in a while. I'm actually not geared up though, so we're going a bit slower than usual. We're going to Golden Gate Bridge here. Alright. Which way? Bicycles this way. 0.2 miles. Oh, should we go up this? No, we can't. No. Up there? Have to go upstairs? And maybe you can go around on the bike, I think. Watch out. So many people and bikes. Okay. Yep. Okay. There's Alcatraz all the way off in the distance. Uh-oh. Beep, 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 beep. What does it say? Cyclists? 15? No scooters. I don't know if this counts as a scooter. So here's all the cars going across the bridge. What? See if I can get a view of the Alcatraz. Okay. There's Alcatraz. Let's go see the bridge. We came from down there. There's a fort. Can't really see anything through the windows. Oh, they're actually working on the bridge here. And the welcome center is down there. Roundhouse Cafe. We're on the, wait, why is it showing in reverse over? Oh, there we go. I was looking at the wrong side. Roundhouse Cafe. Oh, you can see San Francisco over there, off in the distance. There's the art museum that we came from earlier. We parked down there. You can see the Trans-America Tower. There's another bridge over there. I'm not sure which bridge that is. The motion, let's see, stabilization makes it all jerky, but there we go. It's over there. The toll booth. Alright, see you guys later. Mine's all messed up, but you can see how the bridge vibrates here. And they have a model here of the bridge. interesting. What's this? Fort Point Arch. Oh, so it's called Fort Point. And when it's foggy, we have a foghorn. Oh, down there. There's a lot of people down there. Too blurry. Focus. Oops. It doesn't want to focus on that. Sorry. There's something over there. Looks like a windmill. Alright. See you guys later. Other people were here earlier, so now you can see how this thing works. There's this movement. See this whole bridge. We have this, the same thing on this side. I don't know how this slot, if it would move that way, but can't really move it that way. Alright. There's a plane over there. Let's see if we can get it.
Oh my gosh, that was so silly.
Oh, it's helicopter. Alright. Well, down there they have another model. I'm not sure what it's about though. Can't read it from here. Suspension cable tension tower. Okay. So we're going. We don't really know where we're going. Hey, bike's supposed to go here. That's handicap. Where's the, they used to have like a sample of the cut cable. I don't see that anymore. But they added those bridge samples. I don't see where the cable is. Let's see, they have a statue here. There's some more signs and stuff here. There's a statue. Whoa, what is that? That's kind of cool.
That's so cool. How do we go down here? Oh, that's way down.
3, 34, 35, 36, 37. That's cool. Okay. Sure nobody's coming. Okay, going back to the car, I think. Donkeys. If I zoomed 5 times. Nope, too much. My school's coming. Alright, see you guys later. Area down there. This area down here. Fort Point down there. Okay, I can't see down there. City over there. Alright. Okay, we're pretty much back, so I'll see you all later. So we're eating at this Tony's Pizza Napolitano, and they have all these outdoor dining. Yeah, we're gonna see our pizza soon. So this is the Cal Italia.
What's his name? What's
I don't know,
his
is that, what is that? Is that prosciutto? It looks like prosciutto. Got a nice crust. I didn't look at the ingredients, so I'm not sure, but this one apparently won a trophy or award, so
It's a
we'll
gold
see.
medal winner.
Gold medal
full-time
winner.
Pizza Champions Challenge. It has Asiago mozzarella.
Asiago mozzarella. What?
Gonzala,
Oh, that's what you're reading it.
Sweet fig, preserved prosciutto di Parma.
Oh, it is prosciutto, I was right.
Parmigiano, balsamic reduction, no
That's the
sauce.
balsamic reduction, that sauce. Okay, let's
What?
give it a
What do you
taste.
think?
Oh, so fig jam underneath and then aged balsamic
Can you send it to
vinaigrette.
Satu Garut?
Okay. So they describe this as a charcuterie board on a pizza. Let's go ahead and see how it is. Wow.
One chili.
So the jam makes it sweet.
Yeah, it's fig jam.
Interesting. It's
What
good.
do they add in fig jam? Sugar.
Figs and sugar. It's pretty good.
For mine.
All right, we'll see you when we get the next pizza. So this is a Detroit style motorhead. Let's just go ahead and get a slice. Look at that cheese. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna see how this tastes. Look at that cheese pull. All right, so this one is more of like a classic pizza taste. Has meat, mushrooms, and I think mozzarella cheese, I don't remember. And the sauce on top. And the crust is nice and crispy on the outside. It's pretty good. The other one was, I like the crust a lot, but the flavor, because it was sweet, is more like a dessert or something. But yeah, it was also pretty good. Right? Okay, I think this one is called Hot Tony. Has a lot of chilies and stuff on it. We'll see how it is. One is in ginormous slices. We'll see how it tastes. Okay, so we got like Parmesan and chili peppers on it. So this one's pretty good. Nice pepperonis, lots of grease, but I like it. I'd say I'd pick this one first, and this one second. And this one for the price, I'd probably skip it, but it's a nice, interesting thing to try. The crust is very similar to this, and I like it. The crust is really good. Okay, and we're at this fancy-looking church. Is that clock tower?
I have never seen a church in my life.
They have a clock tower. What? That looks like this. There you go.
Okay,
Oh,
here's a
wow.
challenge.
What is this? Okay, oops. If it zooms too far, it turns to a bad quality lens for long distance. All right, going home. See you guys later. There's the, I think the Bay Bridge. You can see all the LED lights. Okay, now this, okay, that person's leaving. They were in the way. You can see the bridge, it has a design that's moving. It's a little bit difficult to see on the phone. It's more clear in real life.
Yeah.
Now going across the Bay Bridge. Look at that.
Stunning. Over already.
You see all the lights here.
Actually, this one normal.
Normal bridge.
Yeah. Not special.
This isn't the light up. What are all these lights here?
Not special.
Not special. Okay. Bay Bridge is nothing special.